Hi, this is Satyanarayanan, and in this video, I want to walk you through a project I built to solve a very common problem in the retail and food industry, which is information overload. Most businesses have thousands of customer reviews, but they are just sitting in a database, unstructured and ignored. I built this end-to-end system of an imaginary store called Pizza Palace to demonstrate how we can use data engineering and RAG concepts to turn that raw data into intelligent, searchable knowledge database. So this is the project that I built, and these are all different modules sitting in different folders. And the architecture of the whole project is shown here in this diagram. I'll quickly go through how the code works and I'll show you the demo. First, everything runs in the main. So the main.py file controls the input and output, the process flow, which code to which module to execute first, and manages connections. So as I said, uh, this project stores all the data to PostgreSDB, and I've used NeonDB for that, which is online and we can connect it using a connection string. So this manages that connection, and this project also uses LLM such as Gemma to analyze the orders and create reviews. So the main does that, and the control goes to the operations folder, which is this. We have three files in here, three modules, which is create tables and insert rows, generate orders and reviews, and analyze orders. As the name says, this first creates the database, creates the tables, all the necessary tables, and this piece of code generates different orders using different Python libraries such as Faker and Random to create the customer names and order ID, and using LLM such as Gemma, I created the customer reviews. So that happens in here, and analyze order. This part is used to analyze the order that are, analyze the reviews that are already present in the Neon database, and give us answer based on the questions that we ask. So the key concept I used here is vectorization. So whenever a review is stored in the database, I vectorized it and stored it so that it would be easier for the system to find the similarity and then give us the result. So that's the brief overview about this project. Let me show how it works. Let me build this project and run it. So as I said earlier, it has two main functionalities, three technically, but two main functionality, which is generate orders and reviews and analyze orders. I have put the create orders function as well into this. So technically two. Let's go with analyzing orders. Before this, I would like to show you the database first. So this is the database, and we have 5 tables: orders containing order ID, customer name, store location, order quantity, total amount, and order timestamp. Order items containing the details about all those orders, and reviews containing order ID, location, rating, and the review text. This is the text that is created by LLM. All these that you see here are created using Gemma AI. And the other two, shop menu and locations, are just kind of metadata. It is not connected to any of these tables as of now, just showing that we have four different imaginary stores, one in Carnegie, Clayton, uh, Melbourne CBD, and Werribee. And the menu, we have like 15 different pizzas with the price and item category in it. So these two tables are just metadata. Now let me show you this as well. We have around 600 orders, I guess. Sorry, 300 orders. We have around 300 orders and around 147 reviews. So whatever questions that we are going to ask is gonna go through these reviews and give the orders. As I said earlier, this is the vectorization part I talked about. So yeah, let's go to the demo. So first I'll show you the analyze order option, and then I'll quickly show you generate and review orders option. So I'll give two, and it is asking to enter my question. So I'll enter what is the um, thinking about it. So if we give a question something like this, it is going to first convert this into a vector and then perform a cosine similarity search in the SQL, and then it will find the top three rows that match this question, and then with that information it will send that those three rows to Gemma AI, and Gemma AI will answer this question. So it says customers have mixed option as some found peri peri chicken pizzas delicious with good cake, and one customer found the chicken dry and lacking heat. So all this conclusion is coming from AI. So I'll quickly show you this as well. So as I said earlier, I'm vectorizing the question, and then see I'm vectorizing the question here, and then searching for the most relevant rows using cosine similarity, and then generating the context text like location, rating, and review. And with that, this is the prompt that I use to generate this output. And it will also give I don't have enough data if it does not really have enough data. Instead of assuming something and saying, it will give this response. Now, yeah, now let's quit this, and I'll also show order generation part. So it is asking if you are creating table from scratch. I'm not, so I'm gonna give no. and enter the number of orders to generate. So I'm gonna generate something like 22 orders and clicking enter. So it is creating in batch because the quota for Gemma AI is only 15 requests per minute. So I've put like 50% of the order gets a response. So approximately I'll get 10 response for this 22 orders. So that's why it's generating 20 orders per minute. So after completing this, it will take 1 minute time and then rerun the code again. So that is what happening here. If we can see this. We previously had 300 orders, now we have 320. So what's happening here is it will create 20 orders first and 10 reviews and then create the 2 orders later. Like the code is still running. This is what is happening. Yeah, this is all I wanted to say. And one more thing, for creating the order, the SQL queries are stored in a different SQL file, and it is called in this create and insert table is the one that we gave no here before. So it reads the SQL file and then creates the table. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for your time. Bye.